Hello again. In today's video, we will be seeing how to import a recap file in Revit as well as how to review the file and create levels. So let's start with choosing a template. So we can choose any of the templates given as default, which can be an architectural, a structural, MEP template as per our needs. Or if we have a client specified template, we will be using a client specified. I will be using an architectural template over here. So I'm just opening an architectural template. So this is how my template looks like. So we already know how we work with the Revit. So let's learn how to work with PointCloud. So for that, I will be inserting the PointCloud. So in Insert tab, you have an option called as PointCloud. So you can either import a PointCloud directly from clicking here, or you can go to Manage Links, PointCloud, and you can add a PointCloud. So these are the two ways of inserting a PointCloud. You can just select the PointCloud. Now here, this is an RCP, that is a project file which I have already told you about in the previous video of PointCloud. Okay, so we will be working with an RCP file. You can also be working with an RCS file, which is a support file. Now here we will be inserting the file as origin to origin. You can also insert it by center to center. The only difference is if I align it as center to center, the point cloud will be inserted at the center of the project. And when I say origin to origin, it will be basically taking the origin as my 0 level. So we normally use it as origin to origin and say open. Okay. Let me just quickly open the east elevation. So now, so yeah. So if you see, my point cloud is aligned to the 0 level, almost aligned. So this is my ground level, which is exactly at the 0 level. Okay, my floor level is above my ground level. Okay, this is because I took it to origin to origin. If I would take it to center, definitely the point cloud would not be here. And so let me just quickly show you how center to center also alignment also looks like. So what I will be doing is I've gone to manage links, point cloud. I've selected the point cloud and I've said removed. Okay, so it's removed. Now I'll be adding the point cloud again. Select, say center to center, open. There. So basically my center to center just gets the model inside and it just center fits the model in my project. Okay, so quickly let me just remove this again. Remove, add, select your RCP, go to origin, open. Okay, and there you have it aligned to the actual coordinates where it is scanned. So now I need to set my levels. So now this is my ground level, which is level 0. Okay, so let me just quickly say this is my ground level. Okay, so I'm renaming my level, which is my level 0. Okay, so once I level it, sorry, I rename it, so you can see it is renamed in my floor plans as well. Now I need to have a floor level. So what I will be doing is I'll be creating a new level in architecture, levels. So there you go. So I've created a level. That's rename the level. This is my ground. Now this is my floor level. So I'm just going to say G floor level. My ground level, and this is my floor level. Okay. Now again, I have a ceiling level over here and my floor level over here. So what I will be doing is, this is my level 2, which I'll again rename as my first floor. Now here I am just aligning my levels. Okay, so it's asking me whether I want to rename the corresponding views, which are in the floor plans, the ceiling plans, or any other views. So if I say yes, it updates over here. If I say no, it will not update here. It will just be updating in my views. Current view. Okay, so I'll go for yes, and that will be updating all my views. Okay, so now let's just, this is 4 meters, my floor plan is over here. I can use a move option to move the level, or I can just use my arrow keys, my up and down arrow keys to move it. I rather use the move option. And just okay. The only thing we need to take in account of while moving the levels or aligning the levels or creating new levels is, we always need this to be a round figure. I cannot keep my level as 3039. I can either make it 30 or 35 or 40, whichever is the nearest one. So it was approximately 39. I can make it 40. Okay. So my ground floor level is at 120 and my first floor level is at 3040. And now I will need to create one more level, that is my ceiling level. So again, architecture, levels, create level, let's just pull it, attach it here, and it gets locked. Okay. Since we are working in Revit, we must be knowing all these options. Okay. So I need to yet align it. So here I will be using my arrow keys, and this dimension 5680 is fine for me. I can adjust my roof level according to it. Okay. So this is how I will be setting my levels. Okay. Now my levels can be approx if I have a sloping area and it is well defined in the center. Okay. So this is how basically we align the point cloud. We create levels and we work with point cloud. So in my next video, we will be seeing how to create walls. Thank you so much for watching.